Hey, it's Brian with Midnight Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the HVAC controller in your Ford Expedition. This is our 2016 Ford Expedition. It had a recall on some HVAC wiring. Well, the wiring had burned up and it had done a bunch of damage to other things. Ford has refused to replace this controller, even though the dealership said it was damaged by this. They tried to get them to replace it, but they wouldn't do it. So we're going to go ahead and do it ourselves, and we're going to show you how to do it because they will refuse to replace it on your car also. The HVAC controller on this is on the passenger side under the dash by the kick panel. Here's the part. It's about $100. We got it right from Ford. Look online, you can get it cheaper from Ford online. There's two different ones. There's the dual zone and there is the standard one. Ours has the dual zone, so this is the correct part for that. All you need to remove it is an 8mm socket. Now we're going to use this 1/4 inch because it's a tighter area. You can also use a 3/8 inch. It'll just be a little bit tighter to get to. So we'll show you how to get up under the dash and where it's located at. So on the passenger side, it's right here under your dash. We didn't take anything else off. It's just right there. You can see the bolts on either side. And all you have to do is unplug it. We're going to remove these two bolts, one right here, one right over here, and go ahead and pull it out. So here's our old part, and we'll show you why it had to be replaced and why it should have been replaced under recall. So the wiring had burned up, and if you look inside, you can see the connectors burned up. Now the dealership said that that was caused by the wiring that got burned up in the recall, and they tried to have Ford replace it, but they refused to do it. So here we are. We'll show you how to do it because you'll probably end up in the same situation. So line up your old one with your new one. Make sure they all match. Now you can go ahead and all you have to do is slide it back in the hole, bolt it down, and plug it up. Don't over tighten these bolts. It screws into plastic, so careful you don't over tighten it. You don't want to strip it out because that'll cause you all kinds of problems. After you get it all bolted in and tight, just plug your wiring back in. Once you get it all completed, come in and check your fan. Make sure it turns on. And now we've repaired it, and hopefully it's fixed and it'll last for a while. There's another easy fix that can save you some money. Now Ford wanted $500 or $600 to replace that part, but as you saw, it was $100 for the Ford part, and it took us 5 or 10 minutes with an 8mm socket. Don't let them rip you off. They're not going to replace it themselves, but you can do it yourself. Very easy. If you have anything else you'd like to learn about, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. Check our other page out, Third Pedal Engineering. See you guys next time.